Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. Guys, as the name suggests, 8 band in writing. It will be a dream come true, है ना? So, but what all do we need for 8 band in writing? We need collocations. And what are collocations? I know many of you do not know what exactly is a collocation. So, in this session, I'm going to explain 3 things. First thing will be collocations. What exactly is collocation? Okay. Then I'm going to give some examples. I won't say some, somewhere around 18 examples of collocation. And those 18 collocations can be easily used in every writing, be it essay writing or letter writing. It can be used in either of two. And if you're going to use such collocations, you'll definitely get 8 band in writing module. So just watch the video until the end. So before proceeding further, I would like to mention the meaning of collocation. Guys, when we are talking about collocation, collocation is basically the word used with a particular verb or words used with a particular verb, noun or adjective. So, for example, we have a verb here and the verb is boost, and boost means improve. Boost means improve. So, when we are talking about this particular verb, what all nouns can be used with this verb? So, with this verb, we can use confidence, boost economy, boost image of a company, boost reputation of a company, boost income, boost moral, boost performance, profit and value. So collocation is basically, it is a simple thing. What all words can be used with a particular verb, with a particular adjective or with a particular noun. You need to be really careful while using a particular word with noun, verb or adjective. So today I am going to discuss total of 18 words and you will get to know how these 18 words can be used in your essay writing. So the first word I have already explained, boost. Firstly, we are going to focus on verbs. With boost, with combat, what all nouns can be used. So with boost, I have already explained. Now we are going to proceed to our next word, that is combat. Whenever we are talking about solution essay, okay, problem solution essay, we need to combat some problem. We need to fight some problem. And in various other essays as well, reason essay, agree or disagree essay, opinion essay, we need to do this. So combat means fight, fighting something. So what can you fight? You can fight crime, you can combat crisis, you can combat disease, drug, inflation, problem, tragedy, terrorism and violence. So with combat, we are going to use all these words. Guys, do you know one thing? Whenever you are writing an essay, what actually happens, you are using wrong vocabulary. And lexical resource is the only assessment criteria in which you can score 1.5 out of 1.5 in essay writing, 0.75 out of 0.75 in letter writing. Now you must be thinking, why 1.5, why 0.75? We have 4 assessment criteria, and for essay writing the score is given out of 6 because it is 2/3 of the total scoring, and in letter writing the score is given out of 3. So it's 0.75 for each assessment criteria. Now we are going to proceed to the third word, which is hamper. Hamper is रुकावट, obstruct करना, किसी चीज को रोकना, hindrance. Okay, so hampering, hindering something, obstructing something. क्या क्या hamper कर सकते हैं? Hamper ability, hamper effort, plan, search, development. Okay, so now I would recommend, don't even think of asking PDF for this thing. I would recommend you to write it down. And if you are following me, so guys, you need to follow the way I study as well. I have this habit of preparing notes and I write it down. So I have prepared notes first and then I am sharing this video. You need to do the same. Okay, now facilitate. Facilitate means make easy. We need to make something possible or easy, that is facilitating something. Facilitate change, facilitate communication, facilitate development, exchange, flow, learning and transfer. So facilitate. With the verb facilitate, we use all these nouns. Now we have the next word, which is forge. You must be thinking forge is forgery se related, you must be thinking, but the meaning is to form or to make. So she forged a friendship, or she forged friendship on the basis of commitment. Okay, so on the basis of truth, we can say one thing or the other. Forging is making or forming something. Forge a bond, career, friendship, identity, link, partnership. That is forging a bond, forging a career, friendship, identity. Now we have the next verb here, which is hardness. Hardness as a noun means some kind of rope, but here it is used as a verb. So as a verb, it means controlling something. Okay, so what can we control? We can control energy. We can harness energy. We can harness reputation. We can harness revolution, and we can harness technology. So these are the verbs. These are the most often, or I would say frequently used verbs in your essay writing or even in your letter writing. I would recommend you to focus on these. So prepare a note, and you should have that paper in front of you. Whenever you are writing an essay or even a letter, I would recommend you should have a paper or prepare a chart and place it on your wall. And when you'll have it on your wall, when you are writing the essay, it will help you tremendously, because you can actually go through the verb, and whatever you want to replace, you can replace with the difficult one, and you will actually be using right or correct collocation. Now we are proceeding to adjective. So adjective is, the first one is underlying. Underlying aim, underlying assumption. So underlying is an adjective. Adjective basically is a word which tells you something about a noun. So which aim? It is an underlying aim. Underlying aim. I'm really sorry about it. Underlying aim. Underlying reason. So when you are trying to say the underlying reason behind this is, so then also you can write underlying. Underlying aim, underlying assumption, underlying attitude, cause, meaning. The underlying meaning behind this is, the underlying idea behind this is, the philosophy, the underlying philosophy behind this is, trend and value. So you need to focus on this one. Second adjective, indigenous. You must have heard this word, and this word is most often, I would say, used in reading module as well. Indigenous means natives. So indigenous community, indigenous culture, indigenous group, inhabitant, people who live somewhere, inhabitants, language, people, population. So there we use indigenous. Okay, considerable is like significant, some major change, considerable change, marked change. So considerable amount, considerable degree, detail, evidence. This is a considerable evidence to prove his guilt. Okay, or these are the considerable evidences to prove his guilt. So this is the way we can frame one sentence. Extent, influence, support and variation. Now the last adjective is consistent, and consistent means steady and stable. Okay, it means something steady, something stable. So consistent policy, consistent pattern, consistent results. So she has been getting 6.5 regularly, or from last 3 attempts. So what is the reason? It is like, what can we say? It is, she has been getting consistent results from last 3 attempts, or since last 3 attempts. So this is the way we can use. Guys, now homework for the day. You are seeing so many words. There is no point you are going to make. I would recommend you to prepare sentences on 1 or 2 and share it with me in the comment section. I'll actually check the sentence. I'll revert back to you. Thank you so much. Now we'll proceed to the last one, which is noun. So we have nouns here. So noun basically is something, it is telling you something. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. So the first noun is implication. And what does implication mean? It means effect or result. So economic implication, financial implication, important implication, legal, profound or serious implication. Then we have role. Okay, we use this word almost in every single essay. What kind of role is the government portraying? So government is playing an active role, central role, leading, pivotal, vital, prominent, significant, traditional. So we should know the synonyms, or basically we should know the meaning of the word, and we should know what all words can be used with this noun. So basically these are the adjectives that can be used with noun. Technology, we have the next word, and it is used quite often. Technology is advanced, alternative technology, digital technology, high technology, late, new, medical technology, modern technology, and innovative technology. So we can use these words depending upon the essay type. If we are talking about some latest gadgets, we can say innovative technology. Okay. Skills. Guys, we use this word often, but when it comes to skills, where do we use? We need to say, we want to say communication skills. So instead of saying communication, we can say interpersonal skills. Okay, we can use the word management skills. Instead of writing she knows how to manage the work, she has management skills. Okay, problem solving skills, leadership skills, computer customer service skills, transferable skills, analytical skills, one who can analyze, analytical skills. And then we have income. So income as in like the first word, disposable income. Okay, which can be disposed, extra, we can say extra income, gross income, high income, low income group, net income, personal income, private income, steady income, taxable income. So whenever we want to use income, we can use all these words. I'm sure you'll never lack in lexical resources with this. And moreover, the essay will be more coherent because you know the exact words that are required in a particular essence. Now we have the second last word, which is lifestyle. Lifestyle, what kind of lifestyle? Active, bizarre, comfortable, extraordinary, healthy, lavish, sedentary. We use sedentary so many times. The person who's sitting throughout the day, job of a teacher is kind of like this only. Hectic lifestyle. So hectic, we can say sedentary lifestyle, hectic lifestyle. Okay. So these are the words which we can use with lifestyle. And now we have our last word, which is use. So what use? It is the best use. It is the civilian use, recreational use. Okay. So basically the gym area is used for recreational purposes. So we can use recreational with purposes as well. Regular use, suitable use. This is the most suitable use of we can talk about any random thing. I have this light in front of me, a table lamp, so I can say this is the most suitable use of this table lamp. This is the wrong use of collocation. So you have used collocation in a wrong manner, or this is the wrong use of word technology, widespread and suitable. So guys, we need to focus only on these 17 words. And I can tell you one thing, after using these 17 words properly, your essay will definitely be of band 8 level. So just focus on these and prepare your sentences. You'll have an idea how can these words be used. I have actually explained the meaning, and when you'll be writing the essay, you'll have better idea about this. Okay, so I would say instead of saying better idea, you remember in the beginning I said 18 words, but I have told you 17. So you'll have better insight, understanding. Insight means understanding. So that is the last word as I promised. So better insight. Okay, better insight, deep insight. We can use better insight, deep insight. Okay, so we can use valuable insight. So these are the words. These words can be easily used with the noun inside. So guys, collocation, I believe you would have understood by now. And if not, I would recommend you to watch the video again. You will understand it in detail. I would recommend you to prepare notes as well and share the sentences in the comment section. I'll definitely check those for you. Thank you so much for watching the session, and I hope you liked the session. And if it is a yes, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon with the next video of mine. Bye. Take care, everyone.